birds, Precious. Nikki's holding under.
I'm licking my hand.
Yeah.
I'm licking my hand.
Be careful, she's pretty old. You don't want her to fall.
Now you see.
Put her back on your shoulder. Or can you get her over there? Turn, look at me, Nikki.
Wasp.
Neat bird, eh?
Ow.
Say no biting, Precious.
What happened to her head?
She's getting old. She's not as strong as she used to be.
Hey, you biting me.
She wants you to pet her head. Not her eyeball. Pet her head.
Who closed her eyes?
Yeah. Don't poke her in the eye.
I'm not. I'm not too fond. He told me. Tim said this body's biting me all the time.
Yeah. Bird gets any old, we're gonna have to find a old folks home for birds.
When the border, I couldn't eat on these
Yeah.
food. Who have nails in them?
Yeah.
And I don't. I got scratched cats.
You get scratched by the cats.
Yeah.
All the cats are in the bedroom locked up.
Yeah. When the cat's coming over that
Yeah, well, that's Precious is just a treat for the cats, so you gotta make sure they don't get at it, because they'll try to eat it.
Who clawed?
No, she's just dusting her wings off.
Whoa, have both poops
One.
in the eye.
2, 3, 4. 4 birds. 4 here. And cockatiel. Yeah, cockatiels. Got another bird in here.
That's a little one.
Just a little tiny bird. Wherever it is, there it is. Can't see very well in this light.
I don't see anything but snow.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have 2 conures in here, which are hiding.
Over here.
Snow, snow, and more snow.
They're both hiding in there.
It must be the snow hiding.
$800 a piece, those birds are.
High and low.
Anyways,
For a place that doesn't have snow.
What's the flying?
yeah. Well, we gotta put Birdie back in her cage. Precious. No, not that cage. We're gonna put it in the cage I just cleaned.